Today's recipe is going to transport you to the rustic countryside of Tuscany. It's a creamy, protein-rich recipe. We're making Tuscan-style chickpea curry. Let's see how it's made. We're going to start with 1 teaspoon of oil in a wok, adding in 1.5 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter is nice and foamy, I'm going to add in 1 chopped onion, along with half a cup of sliced mushrooms. I don't want any crunch on the onions, that's why I'm cooking it with the mushrooms, so that as the mushrooms release their moisture, the onions will soften as well. Adding in a pinch of salt. The mushrooms have softened beautifully. Now we're going to add in 3 cloves, garlic. Along with the garlic, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of tomato puree. This adds a very nice tang to the curry. I'm going to saute it for a minute and lower the flame. Next, I'm adding in some nutmeg powder. This is almost 1/8 of a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of allspice, and some mixed Italian herbs. I'm going to toss this around for like 10 to 20 seconds and then add in some boiled chickpeas to it. This is 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. I'm going to saute this for about a minute. This smells so aromatic right now because of the allspice and the nutmeg mixture. Once the chickpeas have warmed through, I'm going to add in some spinach. This is 1.5 cup of spinach leaves. I've washed them and removed most of their water. This looks like a lot, but it's all going to wilt down as it heats up. Once the spinach has wilted completely, I'm going to turn down the flame and add in some heavy cream. This is around half a cup of heavy cream. If you feel like the pan is extremely hot, you can also turn off the flame at this point in time. Otherwise, the cream will curdle and release a lot of oil. Or you could also add a splash of water to avoid that stage. As soon as the cream heats up, our Tuscan curry is ready to serve. Our super simple and creamy Tuscan chickpea curry is ready to serve. If you would have noticed, I've added just a pinch of salt right at the start. That's because I boiled my chickpeas with a little bit of salt as well. You can season it as per your choice. You can also add a lot of chili powder or chili flakes within the recipe, but I'm going to use it just as a garnish. Try this recipe out, let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.